guys, today I will be showing you mostly all of my fidgets. So let's start. So first we have this simple dimple. It's my favorite one. Okay, so next up we have this fidget spinner dimple. Doesn't spin too good. Okay, next up is I have a couple of pop tubes. I have these 3 colors: blue, yellow, green. Next up, I have this Pop-It. It's a robot one. It's a green robot one. It's pretty good. Pretty good on both sides. And it's glow in the dark. Okay, next up, I have this big Baby Yoda Pop-It. I forget how many bubbles it has, but it's not such a good Pop-It. Sorry for the background sound, that's just my brother playing with his friend. I also share this Pop-It with my brother and this one too. It has 400 bubbles and it's a very good Pop-It. And that is all for today. Bye. Happy Halloween.